everyone, good morning, Year 7 class. So welcome to Frictions and Forces. In our previous lesson we were learning about lever principles and simple machines. So we're going to follow on from that learning now. And so you're already aware of some basic lever principles and how this works in some very simple machines. So we've already got a bit of an understanding of that. So today we're going to talk through the project. We're going to work on a project for the next 4 weeks. And today we're going to go into detail about that project, how to go about the project, how long you've got, criteria, how to get a really great mark. We're going to look at a rubric and we're going to really help you to structure that. And there's going to be some time where you get to direct and come up with your own ideas and steer your own project in groups. So let's move on now to our, just refreshing there, our lever principles. Do you want to have a look at that previous slide? Just show everyone that previous one. So just refreshing a little bit, some of the simple machines that we've already talked about. Load and force, pulleys, wheel and axle. These are the things just to refresh what we're formatting today for our project. So our exciting project that we're going to work together with over the next 4 months is designing a miniature amusement park. So bringing our awareness to that today as we unpack those details.
So your task will run for 3 to 4 weeks. And each week you will be given 2 double lessons to work on your task. And in front of you there's assessment task rubric with you. And it's a group task and you'll be working in groups. That's four in each group. And in first week you have to give us the draft work, what you want to include in your project work and how you're going to design, what are all the facilities you want to include. And this will consider for 20% of your final grade, and what type of park you want to design and what kind of facilities you want to design. So that's up to you, and the rubric will also be posted on your canvas. And now the basic material like cardboard, glues and paper, sketches, this kind of material will be provided from the school. And based on your designs, let the staff know about your requirements so that we can provide some of the resources. And every class you have to utilize your time properly, that 90 minutes lesson. So you have to utilize your time for designing the park within your group. And your marks will be calculated based on your group contribution and your creativity towards your task and on the group work participation. And there's an assessment rubric in front of you.
So if everybody just gets out your rubric in front of you, and just take take 30 seconds to a minute to just have a look through that. So as you're looking through the rubric, whole intention of the project is to see if we can, in our groups, contribute to the advancement of physics, thinking about that sense of field of force and lever principles that we talked about. So we've got those 4 weeks. You've got that draft period where you want to show and demonstrate that gathering of information, your research, ideas, all of that kind of thing. And so we just have a little bit of a look. Let's look at each of the criteria and where we can sit within our rubric of the kind of a mark you might like to aim to get. So the first one is the principles of lever. So you want to include 3 lever principles. So if we have a look at, say, a distinction mark, that would be an excellent understanding of that inclusion of those 3. If we go on and have a look at simple machines, this is the inclusion of 6 simple machines. So doing that in a good way, having a good understanding, is around about a C, or a credit mark, and then you can see where you place. So if you're starting to go up into distinction, you're looking at excellent and then outstanding understanding of those 6 simple machines. So you want to pitch yourself accordingly as you're sort of creating all of your ideas. And then the next one is creativity and innovation. How creative and innovating is your creation of a mini amusement park? Theme of the park while designing the park, and any other criteria that might come up when you're designing. And so you can see good creativity or excellent creativity or outstanding innovation and creativity in your process. And lastly, group participation. So these are group projects. So how you participate in working as a group. Sometimes, you know, that's working with that sense of collaboration, student direction, everyone contributing together. So we're also looking at how you're working as a group, everyone leading, everyone contributing. So just a bit of an understanding there for how you can work with your rubric.